Welcome back to The French Kiss Cook. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to make a delicious recipe of a Greek-style lamb meatball, and we're going to put in a delicious product made by Colina Domus. It is their Greek island dressing, and this is going to go right in the meat mixture and make it taste super delicious. So let's get started. I have my baking tray lined with parchment paper, and I also have a bowl of water to dip my fingers in. I've preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and so now we're good to go. We're going to start by putting our ground lamb meat into the bowl, and to that we're going to add our finely chopped red onion and our finely chopped parsley, fresh parsley I'm putting in here. And I'm also going to add half a cup of panko crumbs, an egg, and a quarter cup of the creamy Greek island dressing. Now we'll get right in there and combine everything together with our hands. What I like about making meatballs in the oven is that you can make the meatballs a little bit extra moist, so they'll be extra delicious and they won't fall apart or stick to the pan. Once your meat mixture is nice and smooth, we're ready to roll. So I've already got prepared here a bowl of water to dip my fingers in and my baking tray. So we're gonna go ahead and roll 24 1-inch meatballs. Dip the tip of your fingers first in the water, and then grab a little bit of meat to make the meatballs, and just gently roll them to give it a good shape before placing them on the tray. And you can even use a cookie scoop of 1-inch cookie scoop to shape them in case you don't want to get your hands too dirty. Whatever works for you. So into the oven they go until they're perfectly cooked. Even though you could definitely serve more of the Greek island dressing with these meatballs, I'm just going to whip up a delicious, quick and easy tzatziki sauce. So to my bowl I have a cup of Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt, and to that I'm going to add some grated cucumber, if you want your tzatziki sauce to be a little thicker, you could grate your cucumber on the side and squeeze out some excess water out of it before putting it in the yogurt, but I'm not looking for any thickness today, so I grated it right into the Greek yogurt. And to that, I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of feta cheese, and I'm also going to add some freshly chopped parsley and dill. I'm also going to add the juice of half a lemon, so about a tablespoon or 2. Okay, we're gonna give everything a good stir. This is already smelling extremely good. I can't wait to serve these with meatballs. And oh my goodness, you know what? I almost forgot the garlic, the most important part of this tzatziki sauce. I'm just gonna press them right into here. There you go. Save the day. And just in time because our meatballs are ready. I'm gonna put this aside and let's check on our meatballs. These Greek lamb meatballs are smelling absolutely delicious, but first we're gonna check for an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect. So we're ready to plate. You can serve these Greek lamb meatballs with a dinner, with some lemon potatoes or a nice salad, or as a lunch with some tzatziki sauce and a nice salad. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this delicious Greek island dressing and other Colina Domus products. Once again, thanks for watching, and click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.